Corporations are jumping on the bandwagon call for racial justice. Some of the corporations are vowing to give more money to charity, including Black Lives Matter, by which the self-professed Marxist co-founder of Black Lives Matter can buy more expensive real estate in white, wealthy neighborhoods. People do not need charity. People need jobs. Charities, many of them, have been some of the most unregulated frauds, not just with where money goes and who gets enriched, but also with charities that are considered above board but run worthless, even harmful programs. If corporations are sincere about justice, they can stop paying their executives mega salaries with ridiculous compensation packages, often on the backs of the cheapest labor, fewest environmental and safety regulations they can find. They can also start making fair wages the priority, not themselves and stock prices. They can bring back the jobs they exported overseas. If everyone inside of the United States turns blue tomorrow and there are no longer differences in skin pigmentation, there will still be massively underserved communities across the United States. When corporations moved manufacturing to China and other places in the world that have the cheapest labor with the fewest environmental and safety regulations, with the blessings of the politicians and others in their pockets, what did they expect? They turned China into a superpower that flexes its military muscle with its powerful military that U.S. corporations created by sending the manufacturing and industrial wealth and power of the United States to China. To Tim Cook of Apple, if he is concerned about racial justice, then why are Apple products manufactured in China and not in underserved communities in the United States? People need jobs, not words, and not more money given to charities. To Zuckerberg of Facebook, one of the several social media monopolies with unregulated power to dominate markets, disseminate hate and lies, and now to arbitrarily censor free speech that has nothing to do with hate and violence. Racial justice does not come from the suppression of opinions that have nothing to do with hate or violence. Justice is promoted by the free and open exchange of ideas, not their suppression. Many are the corporate leaders and the politicians in their pockets that have done nothing to ensure Americans of all races and ethnicities are afforded the only real thing that lifts people out of poverty, creates racial justice, and strengthens families and communities. Jobs that pay living wages. Jobs that abide by fair environmental and safety regulations and standards. Vast communities without significant employment other than the black market narcotics trade is not the recipe for stability, peace, justice, and harmony.